Welcome to Healthy Cook Kitchen. Today, we're sharing a heartwarming and wholesome lentil recipe that's packed with bold flavors and perfect for everyone, no matter where you're from. A dish so satisfying, it's better than meat. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need to create this amazing lentil dish. 1 cup of red lentils, soaked for 30 minutes. Vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. 1 medium onion, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon each of minced garlic and ginger. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder or paprika. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 3 tomatoes mashed, 2 bay leaves, salt to taste, 4 cups of water. 2 large onions thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons of butter. 2 minced garlic cloves. Crushed chili flakes. Freshly chopped cilantro. Let's get started. Heat some vegetable oil in a large pan. Add the cumin seeds and let them sizzle for about a minute, releasing their aroma. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden and translucent. Next, stir in the minced garlic, ginger, coriander powder, chili powder or paprika, and turmeric. If needed, add a splash of water to avoid sticking. Now add the mashed tomatoes and cook for 5 minutes, allowing the mixture to thicken and blend beautifully. Pour in the soaked lentils, bay leaves, salt to taste, and 4 cups of water. Stir everything together and let it simmer on low heat for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even cooking. In a separate pan, heat oil and fry the thinly sliced onions until they're crispy and golden. Set them aside. In the same pan, melt butter over low heat. Add the minced garlic, crushed chili flakes, and a pinch of chili powder or paprika. Stir gently for about a minute to infuse the butter with rich flavors. Pour the garlic-infused butter mixture into the lentil curry and stir gently. Top with the crispy fried onions and freshly chopped cilantro for a burst of color and flavor. The result? A dish that's comforting, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. Serve this delicious lentil curry with fluffy steamed rice or warm bread. It's a versatile, healthy, and satisfying meal that's sure to impress your family and friends. Enjoy!